every once in a while, man, things happen in your life and you can't really explain why. Why did I just buy a pair of running specific sneakers for comfort? Question. I don't know. I just did it, right? But here's the thing. They are surprisingly comfortable for all day maneuvering, grocery getters, everyday daily drivers to work, to wherever else you want to go and do, right? Any occasion that some shit pop off and you need to run, you got them on your feet already. What we talking about here, man? We talking about the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 41s. Now, this sneaker, in specifically the Pegasus brand at Nike, well, model at Nike, is very, very popular because we fat Americans just like to run, right? Okay, maybe not, but we like to have that perception of that we're athletic, i.e. the whole athleisure movement that we have going right now, where everybody just wears workout gear all the damn time. Am I faulting them for that? No, because who don't like a pair of tights? I'm probably gonna get in trouble for saying that one. Probably not though. My wife loves tights. See how I did that? But anyway, this sneaker is stupid comfortable. Why did I get it? I don't know. I was in the quest for trying to find a sneaker that I could wear all day long, similar to the once popular but not so quite popular anymore Adidas Ultra Boost. That sneaker used to be crazy. Everybody had Ultra Boost. Everybody would take that running shoe and wear it like it's crazy. Why? Because of that boost technology that was in that shoe. Now, when it comes to these right here, that's a different story. These things are dumb comfortable. They're stylish. Maybe I shouldn't say dumb. Just the way we do stuff, right? True. Okay. Now, the key factor with this sneaker is that it has Nike React X on the outsole here, right? That's not it, right? Okay, let me not say outsole. That's the midsole. It has Nike React X cushion on the midsole, but that is not it. It also has Nike Air Zoom in the forefoot of the midsole. So yeah, that just screams all day comfort to me. So I decided to venture out and cop a pair just so I could see what all the Pegasus hype was about, because you know, for whatever reason, I never bought a pair of Pegasus. Even when I was in the military, I never bought a pair of running specific shoes. That's probably why my knees are so bad right now, but that's beside the point. The only pair of runners I had was in boot camp, and them joints was New Balances. Whoa, buddy. And again, if you've watched any content on this channel, when I bought my second pair of New Balances ever, those were amazing because I had PTSD from boot camp from wearing them joints. Let me not make fun of people with PTSD. I'm not making fun of you. I'm just saying I had a traumatic experience in boot camp and I was wearing New Balances. Did we clear that up? We're not trying to get canceled because we ain't on yet, if you feel me. But with this sneaker though, I have gained a great appreciation for it. And let's just get to some off-feet action right now so we can see just how comfortable they feel. Take a look at this. As you can see, these joints is clean, yo. I am 100% glad that I actually picked these up. I've been eyeing them for a long time, but I just did not want to pull the trigger on these. But as far as comfort goes, look at the bounce on that. Look at the squishiness on that React X. And you can definitely feel that Zoom Air in the forefoot right here. Oh yeah. I think these are gonna serve its purpose, man. And I like The fly knit that's on the toe box here is actually really flexible and breathable. I mean, I know this is not new information, but this is a running shoe, and running shoes have those ventilation things going on. So definitely one of those things that's going to aid in me being able to wear these sneakers all day long and not have any issues with these. So yeah, I do like them. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about these, whether these are a go, or if you're a runner and you wear these, or you just want to look for a casual sneaker that can pretty much go with anything because of the platinum white colorway. And yeah, just something to wear around. Again, like I said, grocery getters and things like that. When it comes to these, it actually ain't bad, not at all. Definitely can get down with these. So yeah, man, I definitely do believe. I guess we getting attacked by love bugs now. Welcome to Florida. Definitely glad they had the platinum. Maybe I pick up another pair if I can get under the steel like I did on these. I kind of like the orange, but can't really wear it with anything. It's not a lot of orange, but oh yeah, you can definitely feel those pods in here. Hell, that React, man, look at there, that's crazy. That's a lot of bouncing those. Dope. All right, let's get back in the lab and finish this thing off. All right, so we back in, man. Now, as you can see, it's a stylish sneaker along with the comfort. You can see the bounce in that midsole from the React cushion. Well, let me say React X because that's a newer version of foam that Nike has in these runners, i.e. my all-day comfort sneaker that I'm gonna wear on vacation and put them to the ultimate test to see just how comfortable and just how long I can wear these shoes without them creating pressure points in the bottom of my feet that have me screaming while on vacation. Because if they trash, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be on camera documented copping a pair of Mickey Mouse Crocs in Disneyland on my foot. I don't care what the outfit is. I don't, because I'm just gonna put them on because yeah, no. But I have faith in these sneakers that they're actually going to do what I need them, because let's be honest, we wear retros all the time and they are by no means a comfortable shoe. And I think that's probably, between that and the military, is probably why my feet so dang bad. Yeah, I said dang boy, we trying to make this a kid's show. But I do have faith in these. Now, I've had Ultra Boost, I've had some Reeboks that were supposedly like a comfort shoe. Now I got New Balances, I got Asics. Didn't really want to wear those because if it came down to the, what did it come down to? The Vomero 5s, a pair of Gel Cayenos, or the Nike Pegasus 41. I wanted to be a part of the Pegasus crew, or the Peg Heads. That ain't what they call them. I just made that up, right? They don't call people who wear Pegasus. Oh, yeah, and then another thing. As soon as I bought these, the NFL want to send out this email, or was it Fanatics, was like, hey, we got Team Pegasus in now, 41 style. Bruh. You know what I would have done to have a pair of Green Bay Packer Pegasus? Well, not after that week we just suffered and Jordan Love being down, but I'm digressing again because I really like my team, as you can see. Anyway, that's all I have for you today, man. It was not a quote unquote review when talking about this sneaker. It's just an observation from your boy here, Money Matt, on the set, when talking about this shoe. Now, when I get back off vacation, then I'll give you a full review on how this sneaker actually performed. But I just wanted to touch base with you guys to see, do you have a pair of Pegasus 41s, 40s, 39s, 38s? All right, Nike kind of mailed it in on those. This is a totally new redesign for the Nike Pegasus Air Zooms. This is a redesign. So the other Pegasus, I'll say the 40 through 35, Nike kind of mailed it in, and those shoes never were on my radar because it was not a shoe that I felt like I could wear every day with comfort, being overstyle, but at the same time, you definitely, if you're a sneakerhead, you just ain't gonna put anything on your feet, if you feel what I'm saying. I'm gonna get on out of here, man. If you haven't done so, please hit that like and subscribe button and become a part of the Set Crew, where we evaluate sneakers, electronics, and toys. I'm your boy Money Matt. I'm gonna get on out of here, man, and go not run in these Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 41s. I'm gone. Peace.